Yeah. You know, technically, I'm not even really supposed to be here right now. So fuck it. Might as well make the most of it. Yeah!
So I'm gonna be doing the Sunday Funday AM bike check again. Better one with sound, and I'm gonna tell you what kind of parts there are. So the frame is a Sunday Funday. It's the Wave, and it's 20.75 inch. High 10 steel. It's got these little grooves in the bottom right here. You see that? And it helps it stay stronger. It's got integrated headsets on other bikes. If you see it right here. These. It's not attached, but in this bike it is. These right here. That's so you can put on a gyro, because if you look, there's not enough room for one. Forks, same thing, high 10 steel, Chromoly steer tube. Just a normal pair of forks. And it fits undersized. Both rims are double wall Alex rims, and front hub is loose ball 3/8, and that's undersized. On the back, 14 mil, and that's a sealed bearing cassette with a 9-tooth sprocket. Spokes are steel, and they are 189 millimeter. Front tire is a Kenda, same with the back. Front tire is 2.25 inch. And back tire is a Kenda too, 1.95 inch though. Sprocket's a 25 tooth with the adapter included. Works pretty good. The crankset's a 3-piece, and that is it's tubular, and it's 175 millimeter. Odyssey twisted pedals, 9x16, and they are made out of plastic though. Probably get some new ones soon. Chain is a KMC. It's an ordinary chain. Nothing special about it. Handlebars are high 10 steel Triumph style bar. 28 inch wide, 8 inch rise, 12-degree backsweep, and 1-degree upsweep. The stem is a Sunday front load. Again, with the headset, it's integrated. Spacer is a 5mm, only one piece though. Just an ordinary brake lever, and it's got this little hinge so that you don't have to take off your hand grip. Brake cable is just a generic 2-piece. Odyssey team grips with the plug right here on the end. And seat is an Aitken type with steel rails and clamp. And it's an Odyssey. Seat post is just an alloy 25.4mm, and the seat clamp is just Sunday. Bike type is actually pretty much everything. Dirt, street, park, b.m.x bike. You can get it in two colors. There's Black Magic, black one, and Ocean Blue, which is the one I have. The price of it in Canada is about $5.49 to $5.60, and in the States about $3.79. That's my bike check. Hope you like it.
Who can catch lightning in the bottle? Set fire to water coming out the nozzle on the fire hose. Fly it and swatter. Cinderella man, Cinderella man, Cinderella man, Cinderella man. Smash an hourglass, grab the sand, take his hands and cup 'em. Spit around the freezer clock, take the hands of time and cuff 'em. Cinderella man, Cinderella man, Cinderella.